Now, Pretz is a Japanese snack. It's these stick things. It's very much like the Topo or the Pocky type of concept. Those are two other famous brands here in Japan. Any supermarket, any store, you're going to find these delicious yummies. The Pretz family of tasty goodness tends to not have chocolate on it. They're more of the, obviously, pretzels, because they kind of look like pretzels, don't they? And they're seasoned in different ways. My favorites are the salad and the tomato. So let's open this baby up. This is a bigger size. Usually they come in boxes. This has 8 little packets inside. Cha-chang! Ta-da! Love the packaging here because you just open it up like this, and then you can easily share with your friends. And I like to take them in hand like this and just nibble them down like a rabbit. It's not an overpowering tomato taste. It has some olive oil seasoning that comes through, and the pretzels themselves are not very bready. They're very light and crispy, and I really like that about them. I find pretzels can be very overpoweringly bread-like and cracker-like and tasteless, whereas this is light and airy and can handle all the seasonings you put into it, and it's seasoned to perfection. I think this company, Glico, does a really good job at seasoning out the Pretz to the perfect season to pretzel ratio. Obviously, I recommend.